2023 has been an amazing year in tennis, complete with record-setting performances on both the men's and women's sides. From Novak Djokovic putting his 24th Grand Slam title in the record books to Coco Gauff's US Open Finals three-set stunner, fans were treated to moments that will go down in history. With the new year right around the corner, 2024 is looking to bring even more drama-filled action to the courts with potential retirement plans for some of the all-time greats. In addition, you'll catch past winners returning to the game after some time away, and the hunt for first Grand Slam titles, courtesy of hungry, up-and-coming athletes. With all that said, we bet you're asking yourself who you should be watching out for in 2024. Stay tuned to find out. 1. Carlos Alcaraz. Carlos Alcaraz is leading the charge of the younger generation of professional tennis players. At just 20 years old, the Spaniard has already racked up 12 career titles, including 2 Grand Slams. With lightning-fast court speed, pinpoint accuracy from the baseline, and a devious drop shot, Alcaraz has few, if any, weaknesses in his game as one of the most exciting players around. 2. Coco Gauff. Coco Gauff captured the attention of the tennis world with her stunning three-set victory over world number 1 Aryna Sabalenka at the 2023 US Open. Gauff's finals performance drew more viewers than the men's championship match, and at just 19, the third-ranked American is a newfound leader in the sport. 3. Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal is one of the most beloved tennis players as a member of the Big Three, along with Novak Djokovic and Roger Federer, who have continued to dominate the sport. The 22-time Grand Slam winner has been battling injuries as of late and could face possible retirement following the 2024 season, but fans are pulling for his safe and healthy comeback. 4. Aryna Sabalenka. Current world number 1 ranked player, Sabalenka has been taking women's tennis by storm with her powerful and aggressive style of play. The 25-year-old Belarusian is a hard worker with an even harder ground stroke. Sabalenka made it to at least the semifinals in all 4 of the Grand Slam appearances in 2023, and is a name you'll be sure to see at the top of leaderboards time and time again. 5. Novak Djokovic. With 24 Grand Slam titles to his name, Djokovic has achieved unmatched success. Talks of retirement for the 36-year-old Serbian have quieted down as Djokovic boasts peak form while the next gen of players seek to take his throne. 6. Iga Swiatek. Iga Swiatek spent a whopping 75 consecutive weeks at world number 1, the third longest streak in Women's Tennis Association history, before getting bumped to number 2 after her 4th-round loss at the 2023 US Open. Swiatek's strong forehand, in addition to her ability to hold serve incredibly well, makes it difficult for opponents to get ahead. 7. Ben Shelton. Ben Shelton is a rising star who brings power, agility, and fearlessness to the game. Shelton's elite serve speeds, which have hit as high as 149 miles per hour during tournament play, draw gasps from the audience and racket claps from opponents. The left-handed 21-year-old made waves during the 2023 US Open, where he upset the 10th and 14th seeded players, ultimately losing to Novak Djokovic in the semifinals. 8. Ons Jabeur. Fan favorite Ons Jabeur is beloved for her sunny demeanor, earning her the nickname of Minister of Happiness. Jabeur's positive disposition has helped her on the court as well, capturing 5 Women's Tennis Association titles since turning pro in 2010. The 29-year-old from Tunisia is currently ranked 7th in the world. 9. Daniil Medvedev. Currently the 3rd-ranked player in the world, Daniil Medvedev is one of the most charismatic and outspoken individuals in tennis. Not afraid to get in a verbal altercation with the umpire over a ruling or even with members of the audience who aren't seated during play, Daniil's creativity on the court makes him one to watch. 10. Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka is the first Japanese tennis player, male or female, to win a Grand Slam final, and she did it by beating Serena Williams at the 2018 US Open in straight sets. During her acceptance speech, a tearful Osaka hit her face with her hat, apologizing to the crowd for beating Williams during a heartbreaking, yet stunning, show of sportsmanship from the young athlete. After taking time away, Osaka is due to return to competition in 2024, and fans can't wait to watch her play again. 11. Jannik Sinner. Jannik Sinner had a remarkable 2023 season. The 22-year-old from San Candido, Italy started the year ranked 15th in the world before jumping to 4th as of the end of October. Sinner defeated world number 1 Carlos Alcaraz in the semifinals at the 2023 Miami Open and has attributed his recent success to his improved mental, physical conditioning, and change in coaching staff. 12. Jessica Pegula. Jessica Pegula spent much of her early career battling on the lower ITF circuit, taking 11 years after turning pro to break into the top 100. Her determination and precision on the court, as well as the experience she has gained with her doubles partner Coco Gauff, have paid off. The 29-year-old American is now the 5th-ranked player in the world, holding 4 Women's Tennis Association singles titles and 7 doubles titles. 13. Holger Rune. With a game style that has been described as a mix of Nadal and Federer, Holger Rune is part of the younger cohort leading the charge of the next generation of elite players. Rune, who turned pro in 2020, has 4 career titles, including the 2022 ATP Masters in Paris and the 2023 BMW Open in Munich, and is currently ranked 6th in the world. 14. Madison Keys. Madison Keys plays a powerful and fast game that starts with her favorite shot, her serve. Not only are her serves varied in their placement, she keeps her opponents on their toes by trying to anticipate their move. The 28-year-old American serves reach blistering speeds of over 120 miles per hour and have helped the 11th-ranked player in the world win 7 Women's Tennis Association titles. 15. Casper Ruud. Casper Ruud is known as an exceptional clay court player, with 9 out of his 10 career wins coming from clay. Having played in 3 Grand Slam finals with a 2nd-place finish in each, Ruud has been gaining experience and confidence with each Grand Slam finals appearance. It's only a matter of time until the 24-year-old Norwegian takes home his first title. 16. Emma Raducanu. The Open in the US Open means the tournament is open for anyone to compete. 16 spots of the 128-person field are reserved for professionals or amateurs who win 3 matches in the qualifying tournament. No qualifier entry has ever gone on to win the US Open until 2021, when 18-year-old Emma Raducanu did just that, claiming the Grand Slam title in dominating fashion without dropping a set the entire tournament. Since then, Raducanu has fallen out of the top 200, but she's planning her return next year. 17. Stefanos Tsitsipas. Stefanos Tsitsipas has a massive 1.8 million follower count on Instagram, where the 25-year-old Greek phenom is known for posting pictures of his travels and more. Tsitsipas has racked up 10 career wins since turning pro in 2016, currently holding a spot as the 7th-ranked player in the world. 18. Qin Wenjung. Known as Queen Wen to her fans, Qin Wenjung has been befuddling opponents with her signature high-spinning forehand and powerful serve. The 25-year-old from China relies on her speed to control points from serve and has shown a lot of promise in her young career. At this point, she's taken home 2 Women's Tennis Association titles and currently ranking 18th in the world.